I'm here at the Springfield DPW on Tapley Street, where they're getting the plows ready and loading trucks with salt and sand so they can treat the roads ahead of Tuesday's storm. But we spoke with local businesses and residents about how they're preparing. A winter storm watch has been declared for all of western Massachusetts. That means we have a chance for significant snow, sleet, or ice. Those conditions could have a major impact on Tuesday's afternoon commute and your home. Local hardware stores have stocked their shelves with the items people will need to move and melt the snow.
We have been a little more than usual. A lot of shovels, and a lot of rock salt, which we are well prepared for. So once it comes, we're going to be ready.
Despite the bad weather forecasted on Tuesday, local residents aren't too worried. They already have their snow removal items, and they're writing it off as just another New England day.
Not worried one bit. Don't really care. It is what it is. A couple inches of snow is no big deal.
Roads could be slippery for the afternoon commute, so give yourself extra time to get to where you need to go. And take your time. It's been a relatively mild winter so far regarding snow accumulations. We've only seen 19.5 inches of snow. The average in our area is about 50 inches. In Springfield, Sydney Snow, 22 News.